All right, so I got the Ergotron HX arm. You've already seen this before. I got one that already has a heavy duty mount attached to it, and then I got another one that doesn't have it. The range of motion, I think, is like 70 degrees on the regular one, and then the heavy duty tilt kit only does like a -5 degrees to about 10 degrees upward tilt. So I have no idea if I ever need to sell this arm and somebody wants both of the tilt kits. I got the warehouse deal. One was 240. I saved like $10 by getting the option with both of them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the arm. Well, this is the monitor, and then this is where the arm will go. And it's actually not even properly set up because the arm will be placed somewhere and then it like tilts. So, and then I need my speakers to fit. So I have no idea how I'm going to do the measurements and make the speakers fit, but I'm going to probably move it to the right a little bit more, put it over here. And then if the speaker fits there, great. If not, I have to keep moving it. So it's just fine tuning, but yeah, now I will show. All right, so take out the new stands I got. Unless this is a heavy duty tilting kit. I mean, everything was supposed to be delivered by today, so this isn't it. I don't know what to say. Yeah, this is they said what the heck? They said they delivered my monitor stands, my speaker monitor stands, 2 of them, but I don't have them. I guess we'll set up the arm and then do that later. So everything is the same as before. This is warehouse deal. I think the box was damaged on the outside. I took $10 off. I'll take the discount. I could care less. Same thing with this one. This one's like maybe $5, $6 off. I'll take the discount. I don't care. I'd rather save $10. Even if it seems stupid, that $10 I save goes towards my subscription for like the iCloud stuff. Yeah, it says thanks to you gets a second life. Now I don't know how to install this, so I will have to read this manual, but I'm pretty sure it's literally just take it and attach it. It's nothing complicated. You literally just take the tilting kit at the end and put it. The only problem is I have to take the monitor off the arm. I'd stand, probably put it on my bed, then mount it. It's a lot of effort. Okay, put this over here. This part is simple. Part goes onto the desk. I'm just hoping that this came in better condition than the one that I used to have like a year ago from that LG-CX. I mean, right now this one looks white. Is it a mark? Please, please, please. Oh, this one came in good condition, man. That other one was kind of scratched, but this one looks good. That's white. It looks good. This is the regular tilting kit. I won't be using this because I'm using an HX. This is grommet and screws for grommet. Not using that. This is the arm. You know, it's weird. I could have sworn there was 2 arms to this thing, but I think it's just. I guess that's the difference. Oh, there is. It goes right underneath. I was a bit confused. Okay, looking at it. Yeah, this one's a little bit of a mark here on the side, but the rest of it looks clear white. So yeah, either I put it in the left or right direction. You have to unscrew this part for it to actually go in. Make sure this is aligned with the desk thickness. I don't know if I have to do option 2. I like a lot of rubber. Honestly, I really don't remember if this was already a thing like this, or they tweaked it, because it looks whiter and it's like this little soft padding. My desk was supposed to come with that, and you put it on top of the metal rails, but it didn't come with enough for the whole desk. They only gave me 5 pieces, so then I just installed the desk anyway. I didn't wait to do it. Yeah, the heavy duty tilting kit. I mean, you can basically do that at the end. You really only just have to attach it to this and then screw it in. It's not that complicated. Oh, this thing's lubed up. I'll just lube on my hands. And leave marks on the white. But yeah, they really lubed this up. It's like, you can see all that. It's lubed up, dude. Okay. So yeah, this basically goes onto this. Yeah, this is a mark right here, but the rest looks whiter than the first arm I bought. So I'll take it. Like I said, save like $10. If the other one's shiny or white, then I'll keep that one. Yeah, you basically just attach it like this, and then I would so what you're actually supposed to do is you install this onto the monitor, and then you have the monitor just slide onto this, and then you screw it in, and then it holds in place. You're supposed to install the arm already, and then just slide this on. It's a lot of work. Like, they recommend 2 people to do it, so I did the TV myself. It was unbearable, but we shall see what I do here. So yeah, first step actually is just taking the monitor off the mount. Its default monitor stand, DisplayPort cable, HDMI, USB, power cable. I don't want to pull it out, I just want to turn it off properly, then turn it off. Looking for the button. Alright, it's powered off safely. Now pull out the power cable. Very good. Slide this off. Okay. And I'm going to move the keyboard and all the stuff in the way so I can move this off the desk without any interruption. And then I have to walk it to my bed without tripping or falling on anything. So yeah, I'm going to move it to the bed from here and then gently lower it, I guess. I guess I could just carry the monitor like this. I don't think it's going to damage it, except I have to like lower it onto its face, so I don't know, I'm going to twist it around. I guess take it to the bed and then rotate it. You have to install this on the back. I'm going to do the 0 rotation screw. I believe it's this screw. Yep, this is the 0 rotation screw. Now I'm looking for my electric screwdriver. Hopefully I can find it. Right there, the 0 anti-rotation screw. Next up, got on the screw the stand now. It'd be really beneficial if I could find this screwdriver. I install these with the Samsung screws. Okay, everything should be unscrewed now. All 4 screws. They came out easily. Putting this on the floor, installing this wall mounting kit, or monitor arm kit, making sure this is the correct way. This is the correct way. Latches into place and then goes in. Just making sure it's not the other way. Definitely it's not this way. Okay. And making sure all the holes line up. Definitely open this before holding this in my hand. Now the correct way to do this when I get my new monitor is immediately put it on an arm, because doing this is jank. I have no idea if I'm going to break the monitor panel at all. If I don't, then I'm lucky. If I do, then we cry. Quite simple. That one's in a good amount. Perfect. That one's in a good amount. Okay, that one's in. Last one. No way. The battery just died. Timing. Yeah, it's dead. Okay, I gotta put this on charge, but this is good. 1 second. Alright, now you gotta install the heavy duty tilting kit onto the actual monitor. Okay, installing the heavy duty mounting kit onto the arm, or the G9 mount specifically, not the arm. I don't even have the arm set up yet. Okay, I'd prefer if this stopped moving. Okay, yeah, that's not working. How about this one? Okay, that's better. Yeah, it might be a little bit too late for it, but I feel like the heavy duty little mounting toolkit shit is a little bit tilted, and I re-screwed in the screw, so I would literally have to unmount it to adjust it to make it straight. That's kind of cancer. Like the heavy duty tilt kit, it's not even at 0 degrees. Like it looks like it's a little bit tilted, actually. We'll see if it's a little bit off once I have it on the arm. But this lube is getting all over. But this feels like everything is secure. Now I just gotta put it on the arm. Once again, wet wipe. Is it still recording? I am going to loosen this so I can start installing the arm. Alright, leave that monitor over there. Move this over here. Doesn't fit. I have to lower this down a whole setting. I have to lower this. Adjust it according to your desk height. I mean desk thickness. Mine is 1 inch. This shouldn't be this hard. Like this actually shouldn't be as hard as it says. Yeah, the one on the right went in perfect. One on the left's literally making me do all this work. I can't get this one on the right, the left one actually, to get in perfectly. It keeps messing up. I don't care. I'm just gonna force it. I can't. Wasting time. It won't go in properly. I don't know. It's cross-threading. It's messing it up. I'm not trying to. Dude, this is so fucking stupid, man. It won't go in. I'm fucking cross-threading it, dude. This is so fucking stupid. It goes perfect on the right side, but the left side, it's like fucked up. Yeah, I think that's in tight. Alright, we got this. Second setting. I'm gonna put this on my desk. Just like that. And we see how this goes. Okay, that's in pretty tight. Yeah, it's on very tight. Now the arm should be able to go in. Okay. It's weird. The other one went 360. This one does. That's very weird. But the other one I used to have. When you screw it in all the way, it can only 180. and you can't pull it out. It's probably the real purpose behind it, because it has to hold such a heavy monitor. Yep, as tight as it goes. I think I would have it go like this, and then Neo like this over there, and then see if there's enough space for the speaker. I think this should be fine placement, otherwise I have to redo it and slide it over a little bit. Well, we shall see. We shall see. I don't have a screw that goes in right here, so, oh shit, I don't have a screw that goes in right here. Unless it was supposed to come with one. It didn't come with one. Like, all of them. Okay, got this on, and then I tighten this arm. Now I think this is so it also doesn't pull off. It can't pull off at all. Yep. Now this is as tight as I can make it. Now this can move this way, that way. It is very jank, but I'm never going to be really moving this. Alright, it's already got smudge marks on the side. Now I'm spreading it. But there's no other way besides a wet wipe to get off this grease. If it was black, you couldn't even tell. Doesn't matter. But because it's white and I want to take photos, it has to be perfect. Can I get another wet wipe? Okay. We're good. Now I just have to mount the monitor onto this and then screw in the 2 screws that hold it in place at the bottom for the heavy duty tilting kit. And the 2 washers. God bless however I'm going to record or do this part. Especially at one person. I don't have enough space in my desk, so video comes out looking terrible. The lighting is shit. Phone feels like it's gonna fall. Alright, let's see how this goes. Okay, yeah, that's the part where you have to mount the arm onto it and then it's gonna fall, so we're gonna put a pillow as usual. Pillow met of this. Screw with the washer over here. I have the key to this. Yep, it's this one. Pillows are here in case it falls. Okay, just so everybody knows, I know the lighting was shit, but this was a lot easier than the OLED. Way easier. Yeah, this was way easier. I'm gonna let it fall and put in the screws. Use this. Use this. Okay, that's in very tight. Do the same on the other one. What that? Okay, there. It's in. Alright, now I just gotta raise it up. Just the strength so I can hold it. Still droops. Okay, 1 second. Gotta clean my hands again. Okay. Tilted it down. Holy shit. Move so slow. I have so much stuff on the desk, it's gonna hit something, that's the problem. I don't need the pillows anymore, so gently pull this away. Okay, I got grease on my hands again because I touched that spring. Alright, this is how it came out. There won't be enough space for me to put the speaker over here, so I'm gonna have to move the monitor arm a little bit this way, maybe like 4 inches, but otherwise if I wasn't using speakers, then it just barely fits. Sound addicted speaker stand. Comes in a super generic box, 20 bucks. End result. You see how these go? Better than the audio engines, I don't care. Metal stands would have been nicer, but they came uneven, and then the replacement supposed to be delivered today didn't come today, so. Alright, this is just silicone, nothing special. Yeah, I don't know about this. This is cheap as shit. If it's at least solid, then, you know, when I move it, because sometimes I move them. But this, you just have to kind of hope it's in the right position, set the speaker on top of it, and never move it again. If you try to move it, it can like collapse. Yeah, if you put this on here and then you move it, it can like sort of like, just like kind of like collapse. Very cheap. I have to put my mic on a monitor arm. I mean, a mic on the arm as well. This is as far as back this monitor goes. Even on this arm, I thought it could go further back, but it can't. Yeah, I want to be able to push this back more. 100%. 100%. Yeah, this is it. Now this actually fits perfectly if I was using it like this, which I'm not, unfortunately. Speaker won't fit, how it looks. But I like how far back it is. It's a nice distance. So when you're actually using it, that's what it looks like. Of course the gimbal has this tilted, everything's tilted. Nah bro, those speaker stands are shit tiers.
Alright, so future me is back. We're doing this dub again because the first time I did this, the mic was not positioned 6 inches from my face. It sounded absolutely atrocious. So we're gonna render this video again. But I have a 4090, so we'll render like 7 minutes. But because I have hardware acceleration AV1 dual AV1 NV encoders, I'll render this with 2 passes in 14 minutes. I fucking love this GPU. I render so fast, bro. I don't even use the MacBook anymore. I love Resolve. Thank you so much. But yeah, this was the setup. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Peace.